In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Bank of America online banking. If you are an existing customer and have the online banking service, in this video, let me show you how you can log into it. First thing you need to do is open up your web browser and visit the website of Bank of America, which is bankofamerica.com. Once you search for this, on the left hand side of the website, you can see this login form where you need to just type in your details and log into your account. So first of all, type in your user ID that you created while signing up and also type in the password. But in case you don't remember either of those, you can click on this link which says forgot ID and password and follow the steps to easily recover your user ID and password. If you do remember it, type it in and click on login, and if the details that you entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your online banking of Bank of America. So that's all it takes to log in to your Bank of America online banking. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.